So WebP is a new image format for the web by Google, and since it's a new one, there are certain new advantages. First one is that it takes a lot less space as compared to PNG and JPG files. So there are two kind of compressions. One is lossless and second one is lossy. So lossless retains the maximum quality of the image, while lossy reduces the quality of the image, while it also reduces the file size. So WebP lossless images are like 26% smaller uh, when you are comparing it with PNG. So if you are having two same images, but one is in PNG format and second one is in WebP format, so WebP will be 26% smaller in file size. So likewise, WebP lossy images, they are 25% smaller than the JPG file. So JPG files by default are very smaller if you're comparing it with the PNG files, but WebP takes it to the other level. So it basically reduces the file size even further. WebP supports transparency. So the only reason why we used PNG was that it supported transparency. So now since WebP supports transparency, so we have one lesser reason to use PNG. So one drawback of WebP images is that it is not very widely supported by all the modern web browsers. So if you will observe this chart, we can see that Firefox doesn't support it quite well, while Chrome does it because it's by the Google. Safari doesn't support it very comfortably either, nor the iOS Safari, BlackBerry browser, and Firefox for Android. So all the major web browsers are not supporting WebP image format for now, but Chrome supports it, Opera supports it, and we have Opera Mini, then Android browser, Opera Mobile, Chrome for Android. So essentially services by either Google or Opera. So they are supporting it quite well. So in case you are having large amount of users and they primarily are using Chrome as the web browser, then surely you can use WebP image format, which will basically save a lot of bandwidth of your audience, as well as it will reduce the load time of your website, as it is making your web pages lighter. So that's a great way to reduce the size and optimize your website. So how to convert a WebP image to a JPG image without using any of the online tools, as well as without installing any software at all. So how to do that? So one quick trick is to go to Google Photos and drag and drop the file which you have. So we have this random.webp. So just drag and drop there. So we are basically uploading a WebP image to the Google Photos, and it has successfully uploaded the photograph. Now what you have to do is just click on it, open image in a new tab. So now just save this file and name it as JPG image or anything which you want, and just save it. Now go back to the folder and you will see that we have this JPG file. It just takes a few seconds to convert the WebP image into a JPG image, because you're just dragging and dropping the WebP image to the Google Photos, and Google Photos is taking care of it. So in case you have hundreds of WebP images and you want to instantly convert them into a JPG file, then you just have to upload and just save the file. Let's try one more thing. So if you have this and you want to download this, let's see if the file format changes. So no, in case you're downloading the file directly, it will retain the file format WebP, but in case you are opening it in a new tab and then you are saving it, then it will be saved as a JPG file. Thanks a lot for watching our tutorial. In case you liked it, please leave a comment, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel.